What's up guys, this is TampaTec and I'm going to show you how to set up this 100% wireless IP camera. You can set it up anywhere, even at a barn where there's no electricity, no power, nothing out there, but you can set up this IP camera to record. It'll record to the micro SD card though, and of course not to the cloud. Once you connect it to your Wi-Fi, then you can connect it to your network. You can view all the footage on your phone using a smart app called Cloudedge. I'm going to show you how to set that up right now. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway on this IP camera. If you're interested, post a comment below that you want in on that giveaway, and I'll send a message within a week to your email. So make sure that you have your email attached to your about page on your YouTube channel. IP camera is made by Mascarry. The model number is A3. It's 100% wireless, no power needed whatsoever, but it does have a built-in battery that lasts around 20 to 30 days, depending on your settings. The recording resolution is 720p. The motion detecting up to 10 meters, which is 32 feet. It has a built-in wide-angle lens, viewing about 130 degrees. It has also built-in night vision. You can see at night up to 10 meters, which is around 32 feet. Also supports two-way audio, so it's great having it at your front door. All your recordings will go to the micro SD card, and it supports up to 120 gigabytes. The free app, Cloudedge, is available for iOS or Android phones. And you can power this device using the built-in battery pack or a power adapter. So pause the video now and scan it if you're trying to set up. It is an outdoor or indoor camera. So you can use it as a baby monitor or at your front door, which is most commonly used at your front door because it has that built-in two-way audio. One high-speed micro SD card gives you the best performance, and I'm using a 16 gigabyte micro SD card. Here's the PIR, this is the microphone right here, this is the wide-angle lens, the speaker on the back. You can mount it on the bottom. Comes with this magnetic mount. Put a screw into your wall and hang this on that screw and attach the camera. And you can, of course, tilt it left, right, up, and down using this mount. Also comes with this 3M tape. If you don't want to use the screw, you can use the 3M tape. It comes with the mounting screws and anchors, and it comes with the reset tool. I'm gonna pop this back cover off. Here is the micro USB to charge the camera, or you can keep it powered on. To turn it on, you press and hold the power button for a couple seconds. This is the reset pinhole right here. And this is where you insert the micro SD card. Text is going to be faced up. Push that in. And you'll hear it click in. All right, open up Cloudedge. You want to register using your email and password. Click on allow and allow again. And we're going to continue with the setup. This is the menu right here. Hit OK. We're going to add a camera. This is a battery operated camera.
Press the bell button to wake the device if it is asleep.
I'm going to plug it in for the meantime. Press and hold the power button to turn it on. And you should see this red light. Hit next.
Reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red.
All right, let's go ahead and do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the light is blinking. I don't know if you can see that. Hit next.
Press the battery camera button and tap next. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to sync with. Please choose a 2.4G network, then enter your network password. Tap next to show your QR code.
Hit next. All right.
Connecting. Please wait a moment.
Okay. So let me go ahead and hit OK. This looks like there's like an update available. All right, do not power off the device. Hit OK. So let's go ahead and click on Done. It does tell you the battery life right here. And here's your footage right there. You can open it up if you want to. So right now it is live streaming right here. You can check out the history. This is your motion detection timeline.
So guys, this is camera in my garage, and as you can see, hopefully hear me at the same time. My garage is about 20 feet in length, and I'm going to turn off the lights. So after I turn off the lights, the infrared lights should kick in. All right, so you can see me now at, in a dark room or at night. And the two-way audio is great for a baby monitor or at your front door.
So hopefully this video helped you set up or learn more about this device. I'll leave a link in the video description below if you want to just buy the camera. But if you're interested in the giveaway, just make sure you're subscribed to the channel and post a comment below letting me know that you're interested in this camera, and I'll contact you using your email and your about page on your YouTube channel. And if this video helped you set up the camera or informed you more about the camera, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. If you want more tech videos like this coming your way, subscribe to TampaTec. Click on the subscribe link right here or the subscribe button down below, and click on the bell notification to stay updated on the latest videos. And if you're interested in the other installations I did, check out this playlist link right here. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.